Welcome to this deep dive into outdoor decor trends. From timeless vintage courtyards to innovative ways of integrating floral arrangements, we're here to inspire new possibilities for your garden, patio, or any open-air space. Even if you're working with a small corner or a sprawling backyard, these ideas are designed to be both captivating and practical. Think warm color palettes, subtle but impactful furniture selections, and cleverly layered textures that reflect a sense of luxury without breaking the bank. Before we jump into specifics, imagine stepping outside to a courtyard that instantly puts you at ease, surrounded by nature, balanced design elements, and personal touches that make it undeniably yours. The design trends have emphasized crafting a truly personalized experience, whether you're a fan of eclectic aesthetics or prefer a more polished, modern style. And the best part, you can adapt every tip we discuss to suit your own taste and space constraints. Let's begin with the concept of a vintage courtyard. One of the most charming aspects of this style is its nostalgic flair, grounded in warm textures and graceful silhouettes. The hallmark of a vintage courtyard is often a classic piece of furniture. Think wrought iron seating, weathered wooden benches, or a rustic bistro table. These items bring in character while remaining versatile enough to work with different color themes. When aiming for a vintage feel, gentle tones like muted greens, soft grays, and pastel blues can create a romantic and cozy vibe. You can also introduce pops of color to keep the space lively, perhaps through cushions with subtle prints or throw pillows in faded floral patterns. The goal is to strike the perfect balance between aged charm and modern comfort. Vintage accents can range from small lanterns and vintage-inspired planters to retro garden ornaments or a weathered trellis. Each piece adds personality and a sense of timelessness. If you're on a tight budget, consider repurposing items you already own. An old wooden ladder can become a plant stand, and an antique trunk might function as storage or a unique coffee table. If your courtyard is on the smaller side, focus on one key item, such as a vintage bench. Surround it with different-sized planters, mixing in greenery and seasonal flowers for depth. In larger courtyards, designate distinct zones, one for seating and relaxation, another for dining. A small fountain or a classic birdbath can serve as a striking centerpiece, enhancing the vintage ambience while creating a gentle, soothing background sound. Up next, let's talk about floral accents, the heart and soul of any outdoor space looking to celebrate color and vibrancy. Whether you have a sprawling yard or a modest balcony, strategic floral choices can breathe life into your environment. This year's floral trends lean toward a natural, slightly wild aesthetic. Flowers such as English roses, dahlias, and peonies are popular for their lush, layered blooms. Consider mixing them with greenery like ferns or eucalyptus to introduce varied textures and shades. The overall look should be inviting yet effortless, as though your garden simply grew into a vibrant tapestry on its own. If you're looking to keep expenses in check, group plants closely to make them appear fuller and more abundant. Start some flowers from seed indoors, and transition them outdoors when the weather permits. Pair annuals, which are typically less expensive, with a few statement perennials to maintain a balanced yet cost-conscious garden. Repurpose containers like ceramic bowls or vintage metal tins for a personalized touch that echoes the vintage courtyard style.